SEMA mic got through, but Erin got stopped. Now she's gone. I think they took her. So yeah, it turns out you can get a solid steel baton through airport security. This is now the third time. This is the second time we've been to SEMA. But yeah, so we're at SEMA again. Didn't invent anything this year, but you know what? We're going anyways, just for fun. Need to outfit the shop, so I'm going to be looking around for like what cool stuff there is in like, you know, the garage shop organization area. And Alan will be here tomorrow, so until then we're just going to go and have a good time. So a little update, we just found out there's been some changes to the drawer.
Yeah, so we just went from the glass filled nylon slides to extrusion on extrusion slides.
Oh yeah.
So it's full length extrusion now, but you pull it, you can feel the difference.
Oh, that's like way smoother.
Yeah, so it's because it's got full length of extrusions and the aluminum is similar material that is sliding on. That glass filled nylon we found, it wore. And it was a little bit more resistance or drag than we liked, so we just updated it to extrusion on extrusion.
Very cool.
So
I like it. So we've also got, so if you have a bed cover and you got something on top of it, you usually can't lift up your cover, but check this out.
More importantly, check out the cover to start with, right? I mean, it's a new product there too. So, you know, a load-bearing cover that actually has channels integrated into the system, so you can use crossbars, you can mount tie downs, or any of those type of accessories that you want to put in a channel anywhere. But now we've actually taken it a step further. Normally when you had crossbars on a cover, you couldn't open it because everything was fixed. Yep. Well, now we've actually got a patent product that will allow you to leave your rooftop tent, your platform rack, your bike rack, whatever the case may be on there, and it articulates so you still have full function and use of your tonneau cover.
Yeah, that's awesome. And I'm partially biased towards drawers, but check this guy out.
Yeah, so I mean, it is a tonneau covered world, right? You know, so many of the trucks, soft roll-ups or revolvers or whatever the case may be, it was hard to get stuff in and out. You had a couple other drawer options that were expensive or kind of limiting. Well, this is a full-length drawer that went on the side of your vehicle. You have really easy access to a large amount of storage. It's lockable, and it just gives you a place to keep that stuff organized under your tonneau cover.
So how many stickers is Alan gonna get?
Last time I got a drawer full of stickers, which actually, you're building a new garage. You're gonna need some stickers for your new garage.
Sure.
So I think at least double the stickers from last time, which was a significant amount of stickers.
So we're gonna go on a sticker hunt.
Yeah, and lanyards. You gotta get a cool lanyard.
Yeah. Remember the WD-41?
Yeah, oh, that's my favorite.
Sticker here. Thank you. First one. First
sticker.
one.
It's a
Pretty
good one.
big.
Yeah, I should have gotten smaller. It's fine. It's my first sticker. We'll get better at this. That's a cool sticker. The sticker game has really been up this year. Volkswagen Beetle on this one. There's some high quality stickers. This could be the lanyard. I just took the one sticker that was left and offered it down because there was only one, and apparently he already has two. I was being nice at getting you one also. So if there were no stickers left at SEMA, it's his fault. I mean, they'll be in my toolbox if you need them. So last time we were here, the guy who owns Griot's Garage, he had his Lamborghini here, and he was complaining about people touching it. So this year, I guess they different approach.
How you guys doing?
Good. How you doing? Is this one yours or is this somebody else's?
No, somebody else's.
Yeah, we were here 2 years ago. We were talking to you. I think you had your own car out here.
Let's see, what was
The black one.
yeah, the black Issa Revolta.
So you got tired of people touching your car, and now
Yeah, now I bring someone
else's car.
Actually, I've got the gold Jeep Cherokee Chief. I've got a car problem. I'm in the right business.
Yeah, you gotta make sure your products work on every type of car. So I mean, yeah. Right.
Sounds like our
even Teslas, as much as I hate Teslas.
I just bought one recently.
Oh shit!
No, I mean,
I tell my wife, look, it's either cars or bars.
yeah.
You pick one, but just think about it very carefully.
Can we ask you before you go? What's your favorite product? Like, what's your baby?
You know what? I think the 3-in-1 ceramic or product that you could like put on paint and just do one pass and it's like, wow, that looks good. It'd be this one. And this is available just in any store now.
Yeah. Well, that's how I remember we used to order your stuff like out of the catalog, and then years ago, one day I walk into AutoZone, it's on the shelf.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super convenient.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, we wanted to make sure that people, if they needed something, could have something by their weekend, and they were going to the store anyway. That means they still want them to buy a McGeezer's product.
Yeah.
Yeah. How'd that fight go, by the way? Last time you said you were up for a fist fight.
Oh, I kicked his ass.
I got you something.
What'd you get me?
You're the Royal Purple King.
I'm the Royal Purple King? I never thought I would even achieve this. Does it come with like lifetime supply? Why is it wet?
I just went to the bathroom. What is it?
So you've seen the Crazy Beaver, you've seen the Upset Armadillo. This is what I'm assuming is called the Triple Black Rhino Shovel because there's a rhino. But you got your Crazy Beaver, I think that's a sand shovel and just a regular shovel. All in one super convenient package.
He's taking it apart.
This is nice. These complimentary?
Can you imagine holding that? It always says do not touch. So which one did you say that booth is?
You got Amazon steering wheels, Amazon car seat covers. This is like Amazon became a physical place. Okay, that's pretty cool. So, you get about 100,000 more of these and do your new shop. Steven's making a purchase. He found a steering wheel to fit his 55 Bel Air that's slightly smaller than the original steering wheel. It looks the same. So I'm sure you'll see this on an upcoming video because he has to paint it. I guess it doesn't come painted, even though all the ones they have on the wall are painted. So he's doing purchasing, stealing more, getting more stickers.
Replacement tailgate system.
Okay.
This is the GMC model for the newer truck. We have it for Ford, Toyota, Ram, all the major trucks. You get all your backup camera, your auto key fob lock, whatever's in your tailgate, we'll match and put in this tailgate.
Okay.
You also get the down camera system in this tailgate.
Yeah, okay.
All right. So everything's based around this flip out. This flip out locks down on loads, extends to 180 degrees, so you can extend your short bed truck to a longer bed truck.
Oh, nice.
Make this movement. Get a 28-degree angle. It's a good angle for a start of a ramp system. And the reason I did that is because you need a safety angle, safety distance.
Yeah.
A ramp about that long that you want to keep with you at all times, and you don't want floating around in the back of your truck. So you put it inside your tailgate.
That's awesome. Oh, tricky. That's awesome.
So it's got these Z-locking tabs. It's not going to kick out like that 2x8
Yeah.
used to load or bike in. The second one, again, you can put it in any wheelbase you want to put it wherever you're loading.
Yeah.
It's not just for the sports enthusiasts. If you're a repairman and you're picking up a washing machine,
Oh, yeah.
anything
on a dolly or
dolly, so you use a hand truck, you get to this little dip.
Oh my God.
Have these ramp bridges, right?
It's like he's thought of everything.
Second ramp bridge.
Yeah.
If it's a big rubber tire, motorcycle, ATV, golf cart, or whatever, no problem.
Yeah.
Finished. Put it all back in your tailgate. So when you're looking for it, it's always there. But when you don't want to see it, it's not there.
All gone?
It's all inside here.
Yeah. Very cool.
Nice pinch point to the bed of the truck, and it all goes away.
Awesome. Very cool. That is. Bring it.
Bring it tailgate. Yeah.
And exactly what are you going to use that for? Drying my car. Oh, okay. That's what it's for, right? Right? Oh, cup holder, phone holder, bottle opener? What? What? That's a good one too.
So these are the contenders for best sticker.
We're going for best sticker.
Yeah.
Also, we got some free tools. Those were stickers.
Oh yeah, they had a whole bucket of 10mm sockets.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's what you always like lose, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Exactly. See, you know.
And we were joking. We're like, oh, look at all these free 10mm sockets, and the guy's like, yeah, take some.
Oh.
And we only took one each.
Should have taken more.
Yeah,
Just grab the bin and just run for it. Did we just turn $20 to $25? What, did we or did Aaron do that? Wow. Talk about like craps, roulette, blackjack. No, play the claw machine. Hey, what's the smallest long page for horses? We can make it a tiny little cup.
I can just make you a regular one. Man, I don't know about you, dude. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
We are in Las Vegas right now. There's lots of nice restaurants. I will pay for dinner tonight at a very nice restaurant for all three of us. If you go up to the DeLorean people and ask them with a straight face, does it come with its own trunk full of cocaine, or do you have to supply that yourself? I don't know. I think they just heard you, actually. Walking away, walking away. So we came, we saw, we SEMA'd. Also, I lost my sunglasses, but I got these free ones from Mecum Auctions. So thank you, Mecum Auctions. Yeah. So it's a good show this year. There wasn't as many Broncos, which was nice to see some other cars for a change. So next time, I'm Steven.
Sorry.
You can't do that while we're on camera.
Sorry.
You can't say pants on your head. Funny part is I didn't even use it, but it does travel well.
You're not so good over there?
I feel the best.
Did SEMA get the best of you?
One day of SEMA apparently took me out.